Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to learn to knit this very beautiful and pretty pattern. You can use this pattern in your, especially in your baby sweater, frock, cardigan, and also you can knit this in your ladies sweater as well. See, this is the way it looks like. See, wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You'll purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is 16 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast on multiples of 8 plus 5 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 8 plus 5 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 23 stitches on my needle, which is 8 plus 8 16 plus 5 extra stitch 21 and 2 edge stitch 23. So row 1 right side knit all stitches. Row 1 right side knit all stitches. Row 2 wrong side purl all stitches. So we have done our row 1 and row 2. Now row 3. For row 3, slip your edge stitch knitwise on the right side, and before you start the repeat, first knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2, and after this 3 stitch start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, yarn over SSK, yarn over like so, and then SSK means slip 1 knitwise, slip 2 knitwise, and knit these 2 together through the back loop. That's the SSK, right? Yarn over SSK and knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That's the repeat from here to here. From here to here, for repeat pattern we have done yarn over SSK and knit 6, 2, 4, 6. This is the repeat pattern, and you will repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have. Again, repeat that again. Yarn over SSK and knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, knit 6. So we have done 2 repeats from here to here, and your last 4 stitch yarn over yarn over SSK and knit 1 edge stitch knit. Row 4 wrong side. For row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 5. For row 5, knit, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and SSK. And then knit 3. 1, 2, and 3. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, and knit 3. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then SSK, knit 3. 1, 2, 3. So we have done 2 repeats from here to here, and the last 2, 4, 6, last 6 stitch, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then SSK. Your edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 6. For row 6, purl all stitches. Row 6, purl all stitches. Row 7. For row 7, knit edge row 3. So your edge stitch, slip and start, first knit 2 and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, yarn over, SSK, slip 1, knit twice, slip 2, knit twice, and knit these 2 together through the back loop, SSK, and knit 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's the repeat from here to here, here to here, here to here, yarn over, SSK, and knit 6, 2, 4, 6. Repeat that again. Yarn over, SSK, knit 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the last 4 stitch, yarn over, SSK, and knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 8, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 9. For row 9, knit all stitches. Row 10, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 11. Now we're going to alternate these patterns. We're going to knit these patterns here in between of these two. So row 11, your edge stitch, slip, knit twice, and start the repeat from here. Knit 6. First knit 6 first, and then we'll start the repeat after that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The repeat pattern starts from here. Knit 6, yarn over, SSK. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, yarn over, yes SK. Repeat that again. Yarn over, knit 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, yarn over, yes SK. And then last 2 4 6 stitch, last 6 stitch, knit 5, 1 2 3 4 5, edge stitch, knit. Row 12, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 13, slip your edge stitch and knit 4, 1 2 3 4, knit 4 and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, yes SK, yes SK and knit 3, 1 2 3. That's the repeat. 1 2 3 4 from here to here. For repeat pattern, we have done. For repeat pattern, we have done knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, yes SK and knit 3. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then yes SK, knit 3, 1 2 3, and your last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 14, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 15, for row 15, knit edge row 11, row 11, your edge stitch, slip and start the repeat from here. Knit 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, knit 6, yarn over, yes SK. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 6 2 4 6, yarn over, yes SK. Again knit 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, yarn over, yes SK. And a last 6 stitch, 2 4 6, 6 stitch, knit 5, 1 2 3 4 5, edge stitch, knit. Row 16, last row, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. See, this is one repeat. Now repeat these 16 rows, row 1 to row 16, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few, so if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up. See, so if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, so I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.